While simplification drives much scientific progress, another powerful catalyst for discovery lies in the unexpected, those observations that don't quite fit existing theories. Throughout the history of science, anomalies and unexplained phenomena have often led to the most significant breakthroughs. When reality doesn't match our predictions, we're forced to rethink our understanding. The history of Indian astronomy provides numerous examples of how unexplained observations stimulated mathematical innovation. Let's explore this dynamic through several important examples. Imagine you're an astronomer in ancient India. You've carefully learned the methods passed down by your teachers for predicting planetary positions. But when you observe Mars in the night sky, it's not exactly where your calculations said it would be. What do? This discrepancy demands explanation. Perhaps your observations are faulty, or perhaps the calculation methods need refinement. This tension between prediction and observation creates a powerful incentive for innovation. One of the fundamental challenges that drove astronomical development was the need to create accurate calendars. In an agricultural society, knowing when to plant and harvest was crucial. Religious ceremonies needed to be performed at specific times. But creating an accurate calendar is surprisingly difficult because the cycles of the sun, moon, and Earth don't align neatly. A solar year isn't exactly 365 days. It's approximately 365.25 days. The lunar month doesn't divide evenly into the solar year. These inconvenient astronomical realities created problems that demanded sophisticated mathematical solutions. Indian astronomers developed various intercalation methods, adding days or months at specific intervals, to keep their calendars aligned with astronomical reality. These calendar corrections weren't just practical adjustments. They required developing deeper mathematical understanding of astronomical cycles. Astronomers had to accurately measure the lengths of the solar year and lunar month, and then develop mathematical methods for reconciling these incommensurable periods. This challenge drove the development of increasingly accurate observational techniques and sophisticated computational methods. Even more challenging was the prediction of eclipses. Solar and lunar eclipses occur when the sun, moon, and Earth align in specific ways. Predicting these alignments accurately requires understanding the complex motions of these bodies. Early attempts at eclipse prediction were often approximate at best. But as observational data accumulated, astronomers refined their models to account for previously unexplained variations. The development of eclipse calculation methods illustrates an important pattern in scientific progress. Initial simple models are gradually refined to account for more and more observational details. For instance, early models might assume circular orbits at constant speeds, but actual observations show variations in speed. To account for these variations, astronomers developed epicyclic models, adding circles upon circles to model the complex motions they observed. Each unexplained observation, a planet moving faster or slower than predicted, an eclipse occurring at a slightly different time than calculated, pushed astronomers to refine their mathematical models. This continuous process of refinement, driven by the tension between prediction and observation, was a powerful engine of scientific progress. Let's now turn to a remarkable case study that illustrates the importance of systematic observation in driving scientific advancement. The work of the astronomer Parameśvara. Parameśvara, who lived in Kerala from approximately 1380 to 1460 CE, conducted an extraordinary project of systematic astronomical observation. For a period of about 55 years, he observed the positions of the sun and moon, carefully recording these observations and comparing them with the predictions of existing astronomical models. This long-term observational program was almost unprecedented in its scope and duration. Imagine the dedication required to maintain systematic observations for over half a century. Through this sustained effort, Parameśvara was able to identify subtle patterns and discrepancies that would have been invisible in shorter observational periods. What makes Parameśvara's work particularly significant is his methodological approach. He didn't simply accumulate observations. He used them to test and refine existing astronomical models. When observations contradicted predictions, he worked to modify the models to achieve better agreement with reality. Parameśvara's work influenced subsequent astronomers in the Kerala school, including Nilakantha Somayaji, who developed a revised planetary model. This model represented a significant improvement in accuracy over earlier approaches, addressing previously unexplained variations in planetary motion. The story of Parameśvara illustrates several important aspects of scientific development. First, it shows the critical role of systematic, long-term observation. Unlike occasional or casual observations, sustained observational programs can reveal subtle patterns that might otherwise remain hidden. Second, it demonstrates the interplay between observation and theory. Observations test theoretical predictions, discrepancies drive theoretical refinements, refined theories suggest new observations. This cycle of theory and observation is a fundamental engine of scientific progress. Third, it highlights the incremental nature of much scientific advancement. Parameśvara didn't suddenly overturn all existing astronomical knowledge. Instead, he carefully identified specific areas where existing models needed refinement and worked to improve them. This kind of incremental improvement, based on careful observation, is a crucial aspect of scientific development. The impact of unexplained observations wasn't limited to astronomy. Mathematical innovations were often driven by computational needs arising from astronomical challenges. For example, the need to work with fractions and irrational numbers in astronomical calculations stimulated the development of more sophisticated computational methods. When existing mathematical techniques proved inadequate for addressing astronomical problems, mathematicians developed new approaches. The need to interpolate between tabulated values, for instance, led to the development of various interpolation formulas and techniques. These mathematical innovations, initially developed to solve specific astronomical problems, often proved to have broader applications. This pattern, practical problems stimulating theoretical advances, which then enable new practical applications, is a recurring theme in the history of science. Unexplained observations create problems that demand solutions. The search for these solutions drives theoretical development. These theoretical advances, in turn, enable more accurate predictions, which can be tested against new observations. As we wrap up this section, it's worth reflecting on how unexplained observations continue to drive scientific progress today. In modern astronomy, unexpected observations, such as the accelerating expansion of the universe or the rotational patterns of galaxies, have led to radical theoretical proposals like dark energy and dark matter. The tension between what we observe and what we expect continues to be a powerful driver of scientific innovation. In our next section, we'll synthesize what we've learned about the causes of scientific change and consider broader patterns in the development of mathematical and astronomical knowledge in the Indian tradition.